Hi, everybody, and welcome back to the TechShare. Today's tip deals with YouTube and captions. As we know, we have some students in our classes that are special needs, and they may need caption support on a video, and even more so, they may need those captions to be a large text size. And this video is going to show you what I mean. So not all YouTube videos, unfortunately, support captioning, but the ones that do can take advantage of this tip. So let me give you an example of how this works. I've got a little news clip up from a television station that I'm going to play. And as I'm playing it, and I'm going to keep the volume of that clip down because that's really not important, but as we play the video, all I have to do on my keyboard is hit the letter C. And when I hit the letter C, notice the captions come up. If I hit the letter C again, it will turn them off. So the letter C, when you're watching a YouTube video, can turn captions on and off when that video supports captioning. Now, if the student is still having trouble reading the caption because they think the text is too small, which could happen in some cases, then that student can also hit the plus sign on their keyboard, and it will increase the size of the captions 2 times. So if I hit the plus sign 2 times, it will get that large. If I hit the minus sign 2 times, it brings it back to its original height. So again, plus sign to increase the size of the caption, minus sign on the keyboard to decrease, and the letter C to turn the captions on and off. So there's your little YouTube quick key tip of the day. Hope that helps you. Until next time, we'll see you. Take care. Bye-bye.